The High Steam MVP 35 mini boiler iron is a workhorse and has really increased the efficiency of your work. But what do you do when the sight glass gets dirty or starts to leak from that area? Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace the sight glass in your High Steam MVP 35 mini boiler iron. Come on, let's get started.
We estimate that this repair should only take 10 minutes. We give it 2 out of 4 screwdrivers on our difficulty scale.
To do this simple repair, you will need a screwdriver and the sight glass repair kit, our part number IRN 196. Safety first. Make sure the unit is unplugged and the boiler has cooled down. You will need to empty out the tank if there is any water still left in it. The side of the boiler housing comes off easily to allow you access to the sight glass. Just remove the 5 screws holding the panel in place. Locate the clamp screws at the top and bottom of the sight glass. Untighten the screws to loosen the clamps. You'll see that the sight glass is secured to the boiler tank with 2 hard silicone sheaths. You will need to slide those toward the center of the sight glass to remove it off the boiler. Remove the glass, the sheaths, the sleeves, and the clamps. Take out your sight glass repair kit. The kit is actually good for 2 changings. It will come with 2 sight glasses cut to the correct size, 4 silicone sheaths, 4 rubber sleeves, and 8 clamps. Get your glass ready by putting the silicone sheaths on either end. The rubber sleeves go on top of that, and then the clamps fit loosely over the rubber sleeves. Put your glass into place and slide the silicone sheaths up over the copper fittings on the boiler. They will secure the glass to the boiler and prevent leaks. Replace the side panel to the boiler unit, add your water to the boiler, plug the unit in, and turn it back on. You should be all set to go again with a clean, non-leaking sight glass. Remember, we're here to help. Be sure to visit our site, cleanersupply.com, to order parts or to get your questions answered. See you next time.